Hello everybody. Welcome to my first Minecraft tutorial on PC. This is 1.14.4, as you can see right over there. For some reason you can't see my cursor because fuck me, right? Yeah. Fuck me. So yeah. Can you see my mouse? No, you can't see my mouse. Okay. Well, this is a tutorial on how to keep those fucking phantoms away from you while you're AFK. Well, we're gonna load in on to the server. So these cats, these will keep away your phantoms. Watch. Watch this shit. Okay. Right, we're gonna stow all of our shit. / game mode creative, just like that. Fuck. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Alright. So we'll spawn like a lot of them. Alright. Okay. This is my creeper farm. It collects gunpowder and then it spits it out right here, as you can see. But if I'm in survival right next to my cats, they'll all try to swoop in and then they'll back off. Look at that shit. He's trying so hard. There. Shit, I gotta get rid of this. Look at that. Look at that. The hell? Well, I didn't know that. But yeah, that's your tutorial. Just keep cats around your world and you won't get attacked by these fuckers. Thanks for watching. Bye.